Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste on LENOVO Yoga Book 9. In order to copy and paste, you can copy and paste different things. You can copy files, images, or text, and I think the most common is the text, so I'm just gonna open a notepad and let's type in "Hi, how are you?" And now I'm gonna triple click on it. No, it didn't work. So I'm just gonna select it manually. And now, since it is selected, I can either use touch to press and hold on it, then click on copy, or instead you can use the keyboard, either the virtual one or physical one, to simply click on Ctrl and C to copy. Now it is copied, and in order to paste it later, you can either press and hold and tap and paste, or instead click on Ctrl and V, and it pastes it exactly the same. And as a bonus, I'm gonna show you two things. So you can also cut things. What lets you you can cut it by pressing and holding, or with Ctrl and X. Now you can see it sort of got deleted, but it's in my clipboard. So if let's just type in something else, double tap, Ctrl X, or press and hold and cut, and then as I paste it, it's actually copied. So it got copied and deleted. That's what cut does. And as another bonus, I'm gonna show you the clipboard. So I don't think it's available by pressing and holding, but if you use the keyboard, then you can click on Windows and V, and it opens a clipboard. And if you open it for the first time, first you need to turn it on. And what it does, it'll save the history of your copied items. So now you can see I have only this most recent item, but if I select that, then when I click on Windows and V, I have both of these items. After a certain time, they will get deleted. So if you want to save something for longer, just pin it like that, and it's all fine. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.